Hello everyone. Nagchuchewing gum ako. Naka-chewing gum. Hello everyone. This is Rose Dumelon Vlog. Tapos na ang Holy Week. Tapos na ang mahal na araw, guys. So, today is Monday na. Kamusta naman kayo dyan? Sana okay lang kayo. Sana nasa mabuti rin kayong kalagayan. At ligtas sa naman kapahamakan. At sana yung mga family natin sa Pilipinas, mga anak natin, mga apo, mga kamag-anak, mga kapatid ay nasa mabuti rin silang kalagayan. And happy blessed Monday, everyone. So I would like to thank all of you guys for supporting me and watching my simple videos and supporting my silent live almost every day, almost an hour, as long as I have time. Sige, silent para makuha ko yung WS ko para monetize ulit tayo para makalive. Thank you, Sisi Laren Director. Sisi Laren Director, thank you. And Adding Love Trouble Music. Adding Love Trouble Music, thank you. Nana Anyway TC, thank you, Sikoy. DSNH Vlogs, Shukran, Namaste. Edgar C. Official, thank you, Tol. And hi, Art Pabin. Art Pabin, hi, how are you? Thank you for supporting ito. My chewing gum. And also, thank you to Zavar Boys. Thank you, Zavar Boys. And Ehan Ehorn Toan Chet. Hi, how are you? And of course, M. Hassan Pasha. M. Hassan Pasha. Hi. Kat Fitri Channel. Hi, Sisi. Terima kasih banyak. All the way from Indonesia. Terima kasih. Emma Fisker. Also Emma Fisker. Emma Fisk. Paano pagbasa dito, sis? Emma Fisher Official. Thank you. Thank you also to Tol Thinking OFW kay Tol. Belated happy Holy Week, happy Holy Thursday, Holy Friday, Black Saturday, and Easter Sunday. Yung chewing gum ko ron. So again, thank you guys, and thank you everyone. So thank you guys. Shout out sa aking bunso sa Pilipinas. Ay anak, Chard Ingo, ingat ka lagi dyan. At sa aking lahat ng ating mga kapatid, shout out sa inyong lahat. And of course, to all my Sikoy. Shout out to Sikoy Jobs in Hawaii. Shout out. Kabsat Antonio, shout out also. Si Kuya Vlog at Conce, shout out also. Adding code sa Muing TV, shout out. Happy blessed Monday. Wala tayong mauno, sira. Kaya hindi ako nakakakanta. Jat. And before I forget, please vote straight Duterte 10, PDP laban. Ano pa ba yun? Please vote straight Duterte PDP, but Duterte PDP laban, guys. Happy Monday. Jatin.